Oil prices once again went up overnight and are currently trading above $87 a barrel. This is a 2-year high for oil. The advancement in oil comes on the back of the world energy outlook for prices to continue to increase to above $100 a barrel. Investors once again continue to seek the safety of both gold and US Treasuries overnight. Gold has continued its advance upwards on the basis that it is used as a hedge against inflation. Investors are continually to be scared about inflation recently, with the announcement from the US Fed that they will print a further $600 billion to support the US economic recovery. With the advent of investors going into safety, the New Zealand dollar once again fell against the US dollar overnight. Currently we're trading just over 78 US cents. Australia's fiscal position appears incredibly strong at present when compared to other developed economies. After the global financial crisis, we did see the demand for Australia's resources boom out of China. This has led to an excellent position in Australia's terms of trade. Back here at home, the recovery has been somewhat more subdued. Yesterday we had data out from retail card transactions. This increased at a slow pace of only 0.8% for the month of October. When we factor in the fact that GST was increased to 15% from 12.5% in the month of October, this relates to a very slow rate of consumer spending. If retailers were able to pass on the full 2.5% price increases, this would have related to a 2% increase in card transactions. In New Zealand, consumers have struggled to spend after the global financial crisis, and hopefully when our recovery really gets going, the rate of spending will increase quite substantially. Positive news for dairy farmers overnight, as Beijing has let their currency appreciate to the highest level against the US dollar since 1993. The appreciation in the yuan comes ahead of a G20 summit where leaders are expected to debate about the current currency war. An appreciation in the Chinese yuan does make milk powder prices cheaper for their importers, and this therefore supports our dairy prices. Back here at home, despite the high currency that we have at present, we've been reasonably firm with our forecast from Fonterra at approaching a $7 payout. This here will be subject to the prices staying high at the current levels and also the currency not appreciating too much further.